Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a stunning 5 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom house for sale. This house sits on 0.36 acres of land, located in Braco, Trelawny, and the Nestled steps away from the beach. Enjoy the spacious open concept design that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor spaces. The floor space is approximately 15,855 square feet. Some other features include a well-equipped kitchen that flows to the living area, that also leads to a nicely made staircase and landing. There is also large balconies and backup water tanks. This property boasts well-manicured lawn, adorned with vibrant green grass, with ample room for family and guests. This retreat offers both comfort and style. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 500,000 or Jamaican $76.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.